Hi everyone. So I'm recording this because first of all I'm using Indesign and now my video is gonna get flagged because my friend is listening to fucking music. But it's not through YouTube, you fucking bitches. So don't flag my shit, you pieces of shit. Anyways, so I'm using this triangle tool on InDesign, and it's also on fucking Adobe Photoshop. And when you click on it, it doesn't give you the option to like add nothing, like no color. See that? You can go to white, but not clear. So if I come up here, I have this none option, and if I click on it, then it will actually provide that color to me. And for demonstration purposes, I could come up with multiple colors here, and I could even do the stroke a little bit bigger. And I see a lot of these bugs on these stupid ass computers. These programs, it's fucking ridiculous. But same thing. If I click on this and I want the none, there is no none option nowhere. See that? 000. See? It doesn't provide anything. So you have to come over here and then figure it out the hard way, and then go to none, which by default will remove the stroke. And then it also alter the stroke option, so that you can tell. Obviously, they never looked into this as far as the code is concerned, because if you appoint two picas or PT, whatever that this means, I guess we could do like 1 inch, and then press enter on that. We go to color, and we can go to none, and then, you know, if you go over here and you change the color on yellow to that, and then you go back to the stroke and say you wanted a pink stroke. Let's see, it messed up the code on that. So it's 1 point now instead of 1 inch. So yeah, it's a bug, and it needs to get fixed one way or the other. And there's a lot of these things, like a lot of little shortcuts that I've noticed that could be fixed and stuff, but I'm not talking crap, I just think that it could be fixed. And I guess people that been using this program a lot just don't care to send any type of feedback to these stupid programmers.